I'm excited to share with you my knowledge on flying in the North Atlantic airspace. Things have changed considerably since my solo flight in 1927. In this CBT, we will discuss FOM policy you will need to be familiar with. Before we get into policy, one thing to be acutely aware of is this. Your FA medical expires on the calendar date of the examination, not at the end of the calendar month like it does here in the States.
When flying in the North Atlantic airspace, you will need to be familiar with NAT document 007.
You can find this in your EFB Comply 365 app. What is an EFB? Oh, what is this? You can find this in the Comply 365 app on your EFB. What is an EFB? Here, coin to my spine. Wait. What is an EFB?